Welcome to SWYAM Device Sharing Guide. Let's see how to share a device using the SWYAM app. There are two methods. First is using email. Second is using a QR code. Method 1, share via email. Open the SWYAM app and go to Device Settings. Tap on Share and enter the email address linked to the recipient's SWYAM account. The device will be automatically added to the recipient's SWYAM app when they log in using the shared email ID. Method 2, share via QR code. Open the SWYAM app and go to Device Settings. Tap on Share, and a QR code will be displayed. On the second phone, open the SWYAM app and go to Settings. Select Add Shared Devices, and then tap Scan QR. Use the second phone to scan the QR code displayed on the first phone. The device will be added to the second phone instantly.